Love McNally Moore's Lamford. I'd just like to show you our 2017 CHR. This is our 1.2 petrol manual, 6-speed. This is top spec Sol. Comes with electric windows, electric mirrors, central locking, alloy wheels, tinted glass with privacy glass in the back. Bodywork is in super condition. Front fogs. This car is tested until January 27. Loads of test. As I say, bodywork in super condition. It also has front and rear park sensors. Very spacious boot. Protective mats applied. Reverse camera. So here in the back we have a two-tone half leather interior with Isofix seats, cup holders in the door cards, electric windows in the back, loads of legroom in the back of this car. That's up front. We have 6-speed manual transmission, centre armrest with cup holders, USB and auxiliary ports, air conditioning, Bluetooth, touchscreen radio, reverse camera, sat nav, multifunction steering wheel with pre-collision alert, lane assist, cruise control. Loads of features in this car are standard. This car is covered kilometres of 172 with service history. So that's our 171 CHR 1.2T petrol Sol. This is top spec. For more information and finance options, contact our sales team here on 04333 45621 and they will gladly help you out. Thank you.